Imagine, hayahay ka, tas ganito yung pagkain mo. This is cucumber, apple, and carrots. Tapos, lechon, kawali ni Daddy. Para? Ganyan yun. Talikod ka nga, sir. You're like a Cinderella. Show me your... May sawsawan. Wow. Daddy, you know why you are the king of the kitchen? And why you're always cooking? Because it's cooking.
Pwede na cooking.
Pwede ka na?
Pwede rin cooking.
Wearing that, cook queen. Grabe, nandito ko yan na pagsuot ko. Sa'yo sa
Tinaas ko.
dede.
Tinaas ko kasi tatamaan ako ng mantika.
Ang sexy mo naman. Oh, sexy. Ooh, king. The king of the kitchen.